Hey everybody, it's Dr. Thornell, and I have a tip for you today that involves just a basic old cane if you have one laying around. They also make different versions of this today because the original cane is so effective for what I'm about to show you. They make some versions. There's something called a theracane. There's another one called a muscle hook that are a little bit more advanced in the shape, and they have a couple little handles and knobs on them. But basically the function of any of those is the same as what I'm about to show you with the cane. This is for people that have tension throughout their upper shoulders and into their neck, and it's in those areas where you just can't really get to them. You can push a little bit up here, but when you get around to the back side, you can't really reach very well and then put the kind of pressure you need to squeeze those muscles and release that tightness in there. So what you do is you take your cane and you poke it into those areas where you find those muscle knots and that soreness, and then you simply pull. You take your hands this way and you pull, putting pressure into those muscle knots. And you hold that for about 7 to 10 seconds in those tight areas. Release it, move the tip of that cane around a little bit, find another area where that's tight and sore, push, hold that for 7 to 10 seconds. And then the advanced version of that is you hold that pressure and then either move your shoulder blade slightly, or you can stretch your head in the opposite direction. Hold that pressure and then stretch. And what we're getting is not only then the pressure, but we're getting the muscle to move underneath that pressure, which will help scrape out some of the scar tissue, force out lactic acid out of the muscle, and make that pressure that much more effective. So if you have a lot of that tension from sitting at a computer, the forward head posture, things that are very typical, just a basic old cane can get the job done. Or go out and get yourself either theracane or muscle hook or two of the other versions that are out there.